Last week I went to the Kitchen and Bath Industry Show in Orlando, Florida. Drove up there to see what's what. Now this show was paired with the International Builder Show, IBS. Not great marketing, but a fantastic show. There were well over 80,000 people there each day, and there were vendors from all over the world showing off their stuff. So today I want to talk about some of the official winners, my picks for some of the winners, and I want to talk about what trends or what general direction I saw in the manufacturers, in the distributors, and in the products that they're offering. So let's get to it. What gets showcased here and chosen to be bought by distributors is what you're going to see in homes in your neighborhood, in your architect's plans, in your contractor's truck, and ultimately in your home. So it would be nice if you were aware of what's out there, what's possible for your home.
It's a smart setup with the 3-touch dimming and up to 36 hours of battery life.
Things get decided here. That dirty word, that trends, this is where it happens. What gets bought and sold here may dictate what you're going to see in the showrooms around your area. I was sitting on the shuttle bus on the way home from day one, and the gentleman next to me and I got talking about his business, my business, blah, 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 why you here. He had signed over $3 million in contracts for kitchen cabinetry to different wholesalers around the country. That means you're going to see his cabinets all around the country. If you get a chance in your neighborhood, if there is a home show, go see it. You never know what you might find there.
Hi. Come go have a look at the details.
This was not an easy journey. I got a new hip, and this is a lot of walking. This was a massive convention center, then another building, shuttles in between, pedicabs, walking. Why should you be concerned about what's out there? Well, maybe you have a house where you can do whatever you want. You're going to live there forever. You've got no Karen at the HOA telling you what to do. Great, go for it. But for the rest of us, a home is our biggest financial investment. So you need to know what's current. You need to at least be aware of the technology and how things are being built and what kinds of materials are being used and what kinds of finishes are popular so that your household holds its value. There's lots of great stuff at these shows, cool gadgets and beautiful colors and unbelievable stuff I've never seen before. But the overall trends that I saw that were really important and stuck with me were the technology. And the technology wasn't just about gadgets. It was about gadgets that make our life better, that make our life cleaner, more simplified, less noise, less odor.
30 and 36-inch. So
less sound, less leaking. All of those kinds of things were important. When it came to fixtures and plumbing and all of that, we had saunas and hot tubs and cold plunges and things that concentrated on wellness as an important part of our home and to add those features in. The other thing I saw a lot of was a lot of color, not just in the wood, and so we're not into the bleached oaks or the grays, there was some gray, but the gray was rich and deep, and the other colors were also rich and deep. They had depth to them.
And then we added an extra foot to the random length, so instead of 74, and we ran them up to 86.
I stopped by Hoodsley, which is where I got my hood, see their latest creations. And because you can customize your hood, I wanted to see my hood. There it is in black. There's my hood. And see if I like it in the black. So it's nice to see in real time. Speaking of black, Toto and the matte black, I tried. No fingerprints.
Telegravity flushing technology, now instead of the 3 to 4 seconds, you have two, and one valve, you have two valves. One that will work to clean the bowl, expel all the stuff, and the other one to fully clean it, right? So now you have 10 seconds versus the 3 to 4 seconds. One flush technology.
Heaven on earth.
Right, heaven on earth.
That
so
is.
with this particular model, the difference between a 7A and a 7, an A has an auto open close lid. So when you walk up, this light will go on. This will open up. It's got 4 user settings. You already know about that. As soon as you're done, it closes and then it flushes.
See the mothership? She's way up there.
It is massive. It is a little bit.
Smaller appliances were in, micro air fryer combos. And Kohler was the big winner of the day, winning Best Booth and Best Plumbing Booth. Most of the companies and products that I saw had a focus on wellness, and look at the detail. Isn't she pretty? Now, Kohler had the fountain, but Moen had the bar.
This is the VersaCurl detangling shower tool by Delta Faucet that sprays water into your hair while you detangle.
Now, Delta caught my eye with the detangler, but Brizo, their luxury brand, stole my heart. The Frank Lloyd Wright collection was off the charts. It transported you to Frank's world. Look at the prairie stack tile. Look at that. That's falling water. Tell me that shower's not falling water. Look at that. Beautiful. The concrete that Frank used, the wood details, the incorporation of stained glass. There's the prairie tile again and all the finishes. There he is. And that's his office. So you can see the references. Wood handles on a faucet. Nobody but Frank could get away with that. Form before function. Next up is my favorite local tile store, Floor & Decor.
I love this, shower wall where you have one grout line.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. And all of them have a coordinating mosaic for the floors.
Yes.
So it really lets you create that seamless look where you can carry this look onto the shower floors.
Baldwin was another one of my favorite booths. The collections were gorgeous and the metals were warm and so solid. But then I came across another vendor called Modern Matter that makes semi-precious stones in hardware, and they are fantastic. One-of-a-kind pieces. These are truly the jewelry. For lighting vendors, my pick this year was Kichler and Progress Lighting. They had a bunch of great lights and a beautiful display. Look at that one. I love that. And they used their picture light to highlight their collection. How clever. View rail, where it's an entire kit. Your staircase, the lighting, the railing. Absolutely beautiful stuff. That seemed to be part of a larger trend where entire kits were sold. So one-stop shopping. The technology that Command Central, where you could control your thermostat, your stove, preheat the stove, turn on the lights before you even got out of the car on the way home.
30 and 36-inch. So
To clean up the lines so we don't have that pop-up, we don't have an overhead hood. It's nice and clean, it's all contained. Look outside of your local area. There's all kinds of crazy stuff out there.
you want me to switch?
Beautiful colors with the lights, mirrors that come out. There's a lot of options there, and as well as a lot of drawer options and accessories.
See what else is out there, because with the internet, you can get anything delivered to your door. If your local store doesn't have it, somebody out there does. And you need to know that it's available. By going to these shows, you open up a world of possibility. So, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.